Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video we'll check the KIMAFUN 100% wireless microphone. So the company contacted me a few days ago and they asked me to review the microphone. So after I checked the microphone, the price, and I said yeah, I'm curious to see if the microphone is good, and they sent the microphone. I have it here in the studio. So in today's video we'll check, we'll see what comes in the box, and we'll do a couple of tests. So is that being said, let's start with the video now. Okay, so the KIMAFUN comes with a really nice case, which actually I do like, and comes nice and presentable. And now let's see what comes in the box. So in the box is the belt pack, windscreen foam, USB sound adapter, 6.35mm adapter, 2-in-1 charging cable, phone splitter, receiver, and the microphone. Okay, so let's start with the first test now. So now you're hearing the KIMAFUN wireless system microphone. This is a 100% wireless microphone. So this is the sound. So the receiver is plugged into my camera, and also the microphone is on, is attached. So as you can hear, so this is the first test. We'll do a couple of more tests. We'll go outside, but this is the first test to see how is the sound. I'll review all the footage and the sound, and in the end I'm gonna give you my opinion when I'm thinking about this microphone. But so far it's good because it's a super easy to use. I like that. Just plug it to your device, press record, simple as that. So KIMAFUN says that the recording time is 5 to 7 hours, which I think this is quite a lot in my opinion. The receiver and the microphone comes with a built-in batteries, charging time up to 2 hours. Again, I like that. You don't have to buy batteries. So, but the only thing is you have to remember to switch the receiver and the microphone on. The pairing mode is very simple and easy as well. As you can see, when you see the lights stop blinking, static blue, that means that the receiver and the microphone are paired. As you can see, super easy, which in my opinion this is very good. I like that. So far very good. Like I said, I'll check the footage and the sound, everything, so I'm gonna give you my feedback in the end of this video. So the next test that we'll see is gonna be outside. So I'm really interested to see this range, if it's gonna be any drops. So yeah, let's go outside and let's see how it's gonna be the range, the long range with the microphone. Hey, how's it going guys? We're in the park already. Okay, so I'm gonna go back now and we'll see if there's any connections, problems with the connections. So I'm going back. So now I'm gonna keep talking and you can have idea if the connection will drop. Just be careful, I don't want to flip down. So I believe this is like 5-10 meters. Yeah, this is quite far now. So I'm still talking just to have idea if the connection will drop. I hope not, but yeah, I'm still talking. Okay, probably I look weird, but you know, I think it's good because yeah, I need to make sure that the test is okay. So I don't know, can you hear me right now? So I hope the connection is okay. Yeah, this is quite far. I believe this is like a more than 20 meters. So not bad actually, but yeah, I think this is okay. So I'm gonna go back. I think this is quite far. So I'm gonna keep talking now, and just to have idea how is the microphone and how is the sound in general. I hope there's not a big drops because this is gonna be a problem. But other than that, I think I'm quite impressed about the connection. So yeah, so this was the long range test to see if there's any drop of the connection. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the microphone, a bit of vlogging, just to have an idea if you decide to use the microphone with um, for vlogs. I think it's super easy to do that because you just plug the receiver to the camera, attach the microphone, bam, done. In post you don't have to do anything. So yeah, I think for vlogs, I think this is super easy, and so far I'm impressed, and actually I like it. The next thing I'm gonna do now is to use the microphone, to try to use the microphone with my smartphone. So we'll see if this is gonna be okay. Okay, shortly I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I will show you how to use the KIMAFUN wireless microphone system with your smartphone. Pretty easy again, simplicity. I do like this way. So I'm gonna use my Pixel XL 2, as you can see, because I don't have a headphone jack. I need to use my dongle. So as you can see, the dongle is inside. Now the second thing you have to do, also you have to pair your receiver with your microphone. It's already paired and the microphone is attached. So now you have to use the splitter that comes in the box, which again, this is a very handy. KIMAFUN gives you all the attachments that you need. Again, this is a plus because you don't need to buy them separate. And now what you have to do is, on the splitter you have a microphone icon and the headphone jack, so headphones icon as well. So you have to use the microphone icon as well. So what you have to do is plug the receiver to the microphone, as you can see, simple as that, and then the headphone jack in the phone. Okay, and now I'll show you how this will work right now. So I'm gonna switch my camera on, and I'm going to show you that this is gonna work right now. Okay, so I'm filming right now with my smartphone, as you can see, and now to prove that this is working, I'm gonna tap on the microphone. As you can see, again, simplicity. I do like this way. You can use this microphone with your smartphone, with your tablet, your PC. Again, so far I'm very impressed. Obviously this is not the professional way that you're gonna film yourself, but again, it works. So the dongle, the receiver, but it's good in my opinion. So again, I'm impressed. Very simple and easy to use plug and play system. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So what I'm thinking about this microphone, so after I checked all the footage and the sound, everything, so now I'm gonna give you my opinion, what I'm thinking about this microphone. Okay, so actually I'm very impressed. First, we have very easy way to use this microphone. It's a wireless microphone, it's 100% wireless. So again, I was impressed. There's a couple of things that I'll mention which I'm a little bit not concerned. I hope they can fix that in the future, but let's start with the good stuff first. First, we have the price. The price is very convenient, very good in my opinion. So the price starts from 45-50 British pounds, 60-65 dollars in the States. So depends where you buy the microphone, but we have very good price, and you get a lot. So you get a really nice case, you get all the attachments that you need. As you can see in the box, we have the splitter for your smartphone. Also we have the adapter for your computer as well. Again, this is attachments that you don't have to buy, and the thing that I like a lot is very easy to use. It's simple, just plug and play. I try with my camera, as you can see, and the smartphone works pretty good. And actually, I was impressed about the range. The range is very good as well. 25-30 meters is quite a lot in my opinion, and the recording time is 5 to 7 hours. So yeah, so far I'm very impressed, and actually I do like the microphone. There's a couple of things that I need to mention. Is that the microphone and the receiver is quite big in my opinion. I hope this can be improved in the future. I wish the microphone and the receiver are a little bit smaller, compact. Will be a big difference. And also the sound. Let's talk about the sound. The sound actually is very good, but there's a little bit of hiss which I can hear. I know you can fix that in post, but I hope they can fix that in the future. And also, what else? Actually, nothing bad actually to say. Maybe fast charging Type C in the future. This is will be good as well because 2 hours is not it's quite a lot if you use professionally this microphone. If you need to charge it quickly, I think 2 hours is too much. But yeah, other than that, actually thumbs up. I'm happy. This microphone actually is pretty good. Like I mentioned, um, KIMAFUN sent me this microphone for review. They contacted me. This video is not being sponsored. So this is the three things that I wish they can fix in the future: compact design, fast charge, and maybe a little bit the sound. But yeah, other than that, yeah, thumbs up. The microphone is good, and actually I'm gonna use this microphone now from so on in my videos. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think this microphone is good? I believe so. I think it's good, so that's why I recommend the microphone. It's easy to use, like I mentioned, as you saw in the video. But yeah, let me know what you think. This is Stefan. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like it and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload interesting reviews and videos.